Please like and subscribe. We're gonna go check out two stores and see if there is some fidgets. So yeah, we're fidget hunting. They have like this ball pocket. That's all they have. They have this pocket. Wait, remember we went to pockets?
Is that the one you're looking for?
No, remember when we go to? So they didn't have much poppets, so we're gonna go look to another store and hope there is. So see you guys later at the store where we're gonna get our poppets and stuff. So we have Zion and stuff. So we're gonna go in the store and we're gonna see if they have poppets. So here's Zion. Hi. And we're at the store. So, we got these stores. So now, they actually have poppets. There's upstairs, there's a big one, jumbo one, but I don't know which one we were gonna get. So, yeah. So let's go inside. So here we go. Pretty sunny today. Yeah, pretty sunny. Whoa, really sunny. Really sunny today. Dad's looking for tank tops and yeah. So this is Xander. What are you doing, Xander? He's just walking away. So we're gonna walk. Can we look in the front area where the? Can we look in the front area? Say hi. Xander. No. Here's a my Fidgets. Oh, look that. Oh, this is big.
What do you have there?
Want a train? Yes. Okay. Here's a train. This one, these ones have some train poppets.
What is it?
Yes.
What's that? Train poppet?
Yeah. Welcome to my channel. We're going to unbox Fidgets. So which one you want to open, Xander? We're gonna open this one today. So which one you want to open, Xander? We got this at the NES today. We got 5 to open, Xander. This one, he wants to open this one. I got it. Because I'm gonna help us. We're gonna open the Fidget. So we're gonna open the Fidgets. Okay, let me put everything on. Got this. Can you try it, Xander? Is it fun? Yeah. Like this. Like this. Give it a 10. Oh, it's really hard though. Look, so let me show them. Can you show them? Look, let's show them. Hold on. Oh, okay, so. Xander, look. Oh, look at this. Can I show them? So it's a pink one. And it's a pink poppet. So next one, what do you want to do, Xander? Which one do you want to open? Red. I don't know which one. The unicorn. Can you help us open this one? Okay. Will you like it? Ready? Set. Go. Hold on. Hold on, Xander. So open it up. Okay, we got that. We got a unicorn poppet. Look. What's that? Simple dimple. We got this unicorn poppet, and it's a mini one. And then I got this like a keychain poppet. It's like kind of like a simple dimple, but it's 3. So we got this unicorn poppet, and it's my favorite right now because it's really mini and we got this simple dimple at NES, and it's a keychain poppet. So Xander wants to open this other simple. What's this, Xander? Look. So we have this one, and it's really cool. Oh, and guys, look, this has a keychain, so you can actually put it like keychain. Look, it's another one. So we got 2 simple dimples. It's really cool. Can you show it to them? Xander, show it. Look, Xander, show it to them. Cool. Look, and then I never like popped a bigger. This is like the biggest poppet ever. Let's see. I like this unicorn. Let's open this. So we have this hard shell poppet. Mine. You want to open this one? This is my favorite. Mine. Can you see it? Mine. It's so cool. Whoa! Oh my god. So we got this at the NEX too. So okay, then look, show them. It's really cool. So this is a hard shell poppet. They just made it. I think they just put the poppet inside in a hard shell. So that's what I think it is. And this is the best for last. The jumbo poppet. Whoa. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da. Xander, look, it's a big jumbo poppet. It's time. Okay, so put the scissors away. Okay, then you open it. Hey, give me it. I got it. So you're gonna cut it like this, and then you open the side of that. It's in another wrapper. Oh wait. Whoa! Look, we got square poppets. We got like triangle poppets. These are so cool. Whoa! So let me just take out all the trash. Guys, this is cool. Trash. Okay. So we have all the things, and my favorite is mostly maybe the hard shell poppet because it's like my favorite poppet is the jumbo poppet because it has a lot of shapes and stuff. And we have all these like mini poppets. No. Keep it. Yeah, mine. So we got a lot of fidgets. My favorite is mostly this one because it's like loud and stuff. And we got a unicorn poppet. We got a simple dimple. And we got a square poppet. And then 2 small triangles. I really like this little mini triangles too. It's like this one's so cute. And then you can put them into a big square. And we got this one too, and it's really fun. And boat. And like, I never had. Hey guys, I made a diamond. So this. And then. What happened? I'm mine. I'm mine now. This is why I am mine. I like it because it's like this so loud and pretty. Oh, and look, you can make these shapes. And the square one, and it's kind of very soft. So, and the loudest one. So we have this big triangle and this hard shell. Yeah, I really like the hard shell one. It's like literally my favorite thing ever. And then we have this little. I thought this was a fidget spinner, but it's just like 3 things. It's really hard to push though, but it's really satisfying. And I recommend these things because they're like really cool. So I recommend these things because they're really fun, and if you're mad, you can just pop them and stuff. And they're just my favorites. And if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below and subscribe. And give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below which one is your favorite. Which is the best fidget you like. If you think it's this one, then it's my favorite. Or is it jumbo poppet? Or jumbo poppet is like literally into little pieces. Wow! Which square is which shape is your favorite? Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Aloha, goodbye. Bye-bye. That we got. And if you guys liked it, then comment down below which one's your favorite. And don't forget to start popping if you have a new if you have poppets. Yeah. Pop it. Sandra, pop it. A house. Yo, look, Zion made a house. Bye.
Bye. Aloha.
Say aloha. Aloha. Say bye-bye, guys. Subscribe. Bye-bye. Sandra, shaka.
Shaka.
Shaka. Shaka.